So yeah, I basically made the Fall Guys level. So yeah, let's go play it. This is the level. There's like clouds up in the sky. I added these. Wait a minute. What? Okay. Jump. Jump. Wait. What? Okay. Jump and then. Ta-da! You like need momentum from that fan. Then we can go here. I just realized if you stay here, you're in the middle. Okay. Then next we have the maze. Then we have ta-da! Then we qualified. Yeah. I'm thinking like huh. Let's see, what shall we call it? What's the music? Let's call it classic speedrun. Yeah. Classic. Wait. Speedrun. Yeah. What a great name. Out of all these, there's only one. Let me shuffle. Ta-da! Grand Festival. Okay, let's see. Temple Tumble. No thanks. Kill your beans. Yeah. Speed run this map. Wait. Speed run this map. Boom. You know, I think change. Okay. Yep, so I'm just gonna leave it for 2 and then it's like art, right? You guys agree with me? We can publish it. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, oh, momentum, wow, extra momentum. Dude, how much momentum do you get from that fan? And, you guys can see the finish line from here. Oh my god. Yeah, this is mostly like a speedrun map. Ta-da! Wait. Yeah, I was trying to like speed through. Oh, let's publish it. I'm gonna show you like my best map. I'm gonna like actually do it. I'm gonna show you guys. I recently been making a lot of content on Fall Guys Creative. Ta-da, Olympic track. This is my favorite round ever. It also has the clumsy shuffle music. If we go to publishing, I'll show you it. Ta-da, 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 Sorry, I'm bad at Lily Leapers, you guys. I'm really that bad at Lily. I'm trying to do the diving strategy that the pros do. If you didn't know, I'm a beginner pro. Like seriously, I'm a Fall Guys beginner, but I'm... Oh my god. Dude, I'm really suffering from that. Okay, never mind about it. I'm gonna go customize my distance, like my render distance. Like, okay. There's a little bit of a gap down here. Go get the checkpoint. I honestly love these turnstiles, like this obstacle over here, the turnstile. Okay, meaning it must be. Ta-da! And we published it. Oh yeah, that's basically what I showed you in this video. Have fun.